Good day, Sir Ragon. I'm Ana Nicole Macaraig, and I was assigned to the assignment 6, number 5. So for the given problem of number 5, find the area of the largest rectangle that could be inscribed in the ellipse. So for the given equation of ellipse, x squared over 144 plus y squared over 625 equals 1. So the given equation of number 5, x squared over 144 plus y squared over 625 equals 1. So the formula of ellipse, x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. So for the a equals 2x times 2y equals 4y. So for the next step number 2, solve for the y. Y is equals 25 over square root of 625 square root of 625 minus 625 over 144 x squared equals 25 over square root of 625 square root of 625 times addition or subtraction squared over 144. Y equals 25 over 12 square root of 144 negative x squared. So solve for the a equals 4x times 25 over 12 square root of 144 negative x squared equals 100 over 12 times square root of 144 negative x squared. So paano natin nakuha yung 100? Times kasi natin siya sa 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So a equals 25 over 3 times square root of 144 negative x squared. So saan naman natin nakuha yung 3 sa denominator? Nakuha natin yung 3 sa denominator because simplify divisible by 4. Kaya number 3 ang denominator. So for the step number 3, maximizing the area. So gagamit tayo dito ng derivative notations, which is dA over dx equals 25 over 3 square root of 144 negative x squared minus x squared over 144 negative x squared. So lalagyan lang natin siya ng bracket. So for the step 4, set the derivative to 0. Square root of 144 negative x squared equals x squared over 144 negative x. 144 x squared equals x squared. Then simplify lang natin siya. 2x squared equals 144 x squared equals 72. So, saan natin nakuha yung 72? 144 times 2 equals 72. Then, square root lang natin yung 72. X equals 36.2. Then, square root lang natin ulit siya. X equals 6 square root of 2. So, yung square root of 2, equivalent lang siya sa 72. Then, yung 72 naman, equivalent lang siya sa 144. So, for the step 5, substitute to y. Y equals 25 over 12 square root of 144 minus 6 squared raised to 2 equals 25 over 12 square root of 144 minus 72. 25 over 12 square root of 72 equals 25 over 12 times 6 square root of 2 equals 25 over 2 square root of 2. So this is the final answer of question number 5. A equals 4xy equals 4 times 6 square root of 2 times 25 over 2 square root of 2 equals 4 times 6 times 25 over 2 times 2 equals 4 times 6 times 25. So the final answer of the number 5, A equals 600. That's be all. Thank you.